Welcome to Explorer Travel. If you're a senior or know someone who is and you're ready to explore the world with confidence and ease, you've come to the right place. Today I'm sharing the best travel tips for seniors so you can travel like a pro and make every trip unforgettable. Laurie and I have just come back from a 3-month round-the-world trip, and we would love to share some of our tips so you don't have to make the same mistakes and save time. So grab a notepad and let's dive in. First things first, planning is key. Here are 3 essential steps to get started. 1. Choose senior-friendly destinations. Opt for places that match your comfort level. Look for destinations with good infrastructure, senior discounts, and accessible transportation, and easy to get to rooms and accommodation. We stayed in a couple of places that required quite steep and tiny steps, and we had significant luggage. Other accommodation places, even though they're on different floors, had lifts and made it quite easy to get to. So plan ahead and ask them, and let them know that you don't want to go into a room that has steps. 2. Book in advance. Early bookings often mean better deals and more options for accommodations and flights. Plus, you'll have time to research senior-specific discounts for hotels, transport, and attractions. We started our planning for accommodation approximately 14 months ahead of the dates of accommodation, so we were able to make sure we could get the best rooms available, and we got some special deals as well. 3. Consult your doctor, dentist, specialist, schedule a pre-travel checkup, make sure your vaccinations are up to date, and ask about medications for long flights or to handle unexpected health issues during the trip. We love our diving and found out to our detriment that our dive medicals were out of date, so we had to adjust our underwater enjoyment, unfortunately, as a result of this. 4. Bring spare items like glasses. On a related issue, we did take a spare pair of glasses which came in handy when Laurie lost her primary pair in a taxi in Northern Ireland, and that was early on in our trip. Remember, preparation sets the tone for a stress-free adventure. Now let's move on to packing. Smart packing can make all the difference. Here are my golden packing tips. 1. Pack light. Stick to versatile clothing that can be layered. Use lightweight, wrinkle-free fabrics, and aim for comfortable shoes suitable for walking. We did our research here and found that merino wool was really light and handy for layering, and we could actually not wash our clothes every day, and that made our life a lot easier when thinking about laundry needs. 2. Organize your essentials. Use packing cubes to keep things organized and accessible. And don't forget to pack a small bag with medications, travel documents, and emergency contacts. This is your travel lifeline. We absolutely loved our packing cubes, and we've tried a few different sorts. We found the ones that you could see through were so easy to have our clothing and related items in cubes in and out of the luggage. Saved so much time. 3. Assistive gear. Fortunately, we didn't need any assistive gear, but we did see heaps of other more elderly people or people with needs. And the idea of planning ahead, particularly for boarding and exiting planes, really requires quite a bit of planning. If you use mobility aids like a cane, walker, or wheelchair, make sure they're travel ready. Portable foldable models are ideal. Don't hesitate to inform your airline or tour operator in advance if you'll need assistance. The key is to pack smarter, not heavier. Trust me, your back will thank you. We were fortunate that we did tend to travel business class, although we did get caught with a couple of local operators, like the train in the USA. So we fortunately thought ahead and got a really good item that had expandable facilities for in-cabin luggage, and that paid off, even though we didn't have to expand it very often. Airports and flights can be overwhelming, but with a few tips, you'll sail through like a pro. 1. Request assistance. As we mentioned earlier, don't hesitate to request wheelchair assistance or priority boarding if needed. Airlines and airports are more than happy to help. 2. Stretch during long flights. Take short walks down the aisle and do simple stretches to keep your circulation moving. Compression socks are a must for long-haul flights. We were fortunate that we did have compression socks included in some of the luxury packs given to us, and we never encountered any issues with deep vein thrombosis. Fingers crossed for future trips. 3. Stay hydrated and snack smart. Airplane cabins can be dehydrating, so drink plenty of water. Bring light, healthy snacks like nuts or dried fruit to keep your energy up. Flying doesn't have to be daunting. With these tips, you'll land feeling refreshed and ready to explore. As a special bonus, we do recommend travelling east to west if it's a round the world trip, and let the time zones work in your favour. Safety and health should always be a top priority. Here's how to stay safe while travelling. 1. Keep important documents handy. Carry copies of your passport, ID, travel insurance, and medical prescriptions in both digital and physical forms. Store them securely. We store their documents in Dropbox, and we also had a paper copy in our main luggage with extra signage. 2. Stay connected. Use a smartphone or GPS device to navigate unfamiliar areas. Share your itinerary with a loved one back home so they can check in on you. 3. Take breaks. Don't overdo it. Plan for rest days or shorter sightseeing schedules to avoid exhaustion. A little mindfulness goes a long way. Stay aware of your surroundings and listen to your body. We had the bonus of working first aid and selling first aid kits, but just pack what you need. There's always a close pharmacy, even though you pay a bit more at the airline lounge. We have a variety of band-aids, pain medication, and more specialised items for our diving. Finally, let's talk about making memories. 1. Be open to new experiences. Try the local cuisine, join a guided tour, or learn a few words of the local language. These small steps make the experience richer. We found that we ended up taking 3 GoPros and our iPhones with enhancements to make them more like digital SLRs. Laurie did take a Canon digital SLR. We used them all along with a lot of attachments, and now we're having fun going through them and reliving our beautiful memories. One of those benefits is having different formats of audio and video. 2. Capture the moment. Bring a lightweight camera or use your smartphone to document your trip. You'll cherish these memories forever. 3. Connect with others. Meet other travellers or locals. Sharing stories and experiences often makes the trip more meaningful. We were fortunate over the 3-month holiday that as we were meeting up with new friends, we were able to share different videos and photos to enhance each other's memories. Obviously, the easy one is asking if you can take a photo of another couple, and then they tend to reciprocate. It's better than taking a selfie shot, and you are in full frames. We were quite impressed by the quality of shots taken by others of us. Travel is about the journey as much as the destination. Savor every moment. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to traveling like a pro for seniors. With these tips, you're ready to plan your next adventure with confidence. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more travel tips. Thanks for watching and happy travels.